everything we do within reason is custom built. So we have done homes on the historical register and in different historic society things. And so most homes, this is obviously going to make sense, historical homes have wood doors. Very few companies make wood doors today because wood's so impractical. And so what we do is, in those cases, is fiberglass doors, and as opposed to a metal door. When you get a metal door, they can be efficient, they can be strong, they can even be attractive. But if you try to make a metal door look like a wood door, everybody will say, hey, they painted that metal door to look like a wood door. When you have a fiberglass door, they're so realistic in their appearance of wood, I can't even tell. I'll even have to go up and tap it and be like, is that wood or is that fiberglass? I can't tell. And that's because it's so convincing in its appearance. So when we do homes that are on a historical society or in a historical district or something like that, we'll do a fiberglass doors because we can emulate the look of wood, but have the benefits and the durability that fiberglass has in regards to weather and upkeep and maintenance. But then the other thing is we custom build. So again, within reason, we don't have to alter the dimensions or alter anything that, would compromise the original integrity of the structure. But, fortunately, most homes we visit with aren't on the historical society, on the historical thing, but we take the same care and same thought process that we do in those historical situations and apply that to any residential thing. You want the least intrusive, the least problematic solution for each and every home. And that's what we have to offer with our products. They're custom built, they're high end, they're incredibly attractive, and they can replicate almost anything that exists or modernize anything that you have. With technology like it is today, we have incredibly neat features and hardware systems that are available on our doors. You can get doors that are, smartphone operated for the lock, for your key. You can get keypads, like I call it the single guy door lock. And, I don't know why guys don't carry keys anymore, but they don't. And so they just have a keypad on their door so they can do it, or they have the app on their phone so they can unlock the door. I do see the benefit of that. It's like if you're out of town and your neighbor needs to come over and feed the cat or whatever that is, you can unlock your door from anywhere in the world and relock it without, missing a beat, as long as you have cell service, obviously. But our doors have a multi-point lock system that's available. It's a 3-point lock system where it locks at the top, the middle, and the bottom. And in fact, it's a requirement with us that if they have a French door system where it's a double door system, or if they have an overheight door system, that they use the 3-point lock mechanism. And the reason why is on an overheight door system, the doors are more prone to deflection. When you have the 3-point lock system, you know that each door is properly aligned and secure and efficient, I might add. That's an overheight and on a French door system. On a French door where both doors can move, you know that they're locked and sealed properly together as well.